If you're considering buying Vista Social for managing your social media, there are 7 key things you need to know first. Stick around because these insights will not only help you understand if it's the right tool for you, but also how it stacks up against other tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Sprout Social. First off, Vista Social is a powerful social media management tool designed to help businesses streamline their social media scheduling, reporting, and analytics. While it competes with established tools like Hootsuite and Buffer, one thing that stands out with Vista Social is its affordability and simplicity without compromising on features. It's built with small to mid-sized businesses in mind but can easily scale as your business grows. Next thing to consider is Vista Social's user interface. The platform is known for being incredibly user-friendly, especially when compared to tools like Sprout Social, which can feel a bit clunky for beginners. If you're someone who doesn't have a lot of time to spend learning new software, Vista Social's intuitive layout makes getting started super easy. Plus, the drag and drop functionality for scheduling posts is seamless and doesn't require much setup. The third thing to know is its pricing structure. Vista Social is far more affordable than some of its competitors, offering a range of pricing plans to cater to different business needs. Unlike Hootsuite or Sprout Social, which often have hidden fees or extra charges for additional features, Vista Social offers transparent pricing. This means you get a clear understanding of what you're paying for upfront without any surprises. They also have a completely free trial that allows you to test all the features without committing, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Now, let's talk about its social media posting and scheduling capabilities. One of Vista Social's standout features is its ability to schedule posts across multiple platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. If you've used tools like Buffer before, you'll notice Vista Social has a much more integrated approach, where you can schedule posts for all platforms in one go, saving you time and effort. The fifth thing you should know is its analytics and reporting tools. Vista Social offers in-depth insights into your social media performance, from engagement rates to audience demographics. When you compare this to Buffer or Hootsuite, which sometimes require additional tools or plugins for advanced reporting, Vista Social offers these features built into their platform. This makes it easier to track your social media campaigns and adjust strategies in real time, especially if you rely heavily on analytics to guide your decisions. The sixth thing to mention is the customer support you can expect. While competitors like Sprout Social offer excellent customer service, Vista Social takes it up a notch by offering 24/7 support with responsive teams via live chat and email. This is a major plus for small businesses that need immediate help and don't want to deal with long wait times. Finally, the seventh thing to know before buying Vista Social is how they integrate with other tools. While Hootsuite and Buffer are known for their wide range of integrations, Vista Social isn't far behind. Whether you use Zapier to automate workflows or need to connect to your CRM software, Vista Social allows for easy integration to make your workflow even more efficient. If you're considering Vista Social, the best offer you can get is through the first link in the description below. You can sign up for their completely free trial and even get some exclusive benefits if you act fast. If you're looking for a tool that balances powerful features, affordability, and ease of use, Vista Social could be exactly what you need for managing your social media presence. Don't forget, if you want to try Vista Social and experience all its features, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial offer and unlock some special perks.